So this is the facelifted one. Okay, there is a difference when you switch the mode to sport or race. The exhaust sound will be slightly bolder. Okay, notice that. The auto start stop. Maybe someone sleeping at the back will be will suddenly wake up.
Actually, got two ways to release the whole brake. Either you press the brake again, or you just acceleration.
Oh,
yeah, you have a two-way, but usually the customer will use the acceleration to release the whole.
Okay. Now I know this, because usually when using brake hold, most of the time we'll step up the accelerator lah. Okay. Suspension more harder, although in comfort mode. But yeah, this is for performance car. Okay, I think that was the EMAS, proton EMAS shooting. So they need to control something, control the traffic, traffic police. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Most of our customers own the performance car like A45 or CLA45, right?
Okay.
They drove for 2 years or 3 years, they will change a normal car.
Oh.
Because it's too performance, it's not convenient for daily use.
Yeah.
Yep.
Maybe it is for weekend car.
Yep, if for weekend car, maybe yes. Like, or maybe you're not stuck at the traffic jam or the early morning or evening. That should be fine. But if you're right, if it's too powerful for them, not so comfort, because even you just now you drive a comfort car, you can feel the suspension is very hard.
Yeah, I feel a little bit harder. This car actually is for fun, actually.
It's a fun car.
Fun car.
This type of car is performance fun car.
Alright, so Sport Plus. Okay. After this, we try to downshift. Okay. acceleration. 1, 2, 3. Braking. Oh, it bites very well. Don't shift according to the speed. Okay, don't shift, gear 4. So you can have a smoother stop. Yeah, it's because alright, so check out the corners. Okay, acceleration. Okay, traffic. Blind spot, alright, so I love the popping sound from the exhaust.
Caution, sharp curve in 300 meters.
For me, as an average sport car enthusiast, the standard of the ECU setting and the performance tuning was already good for this A45S. But of course, there are some customer may not satisfied with the tuning and need to remap the stage 2, the stage 3 something.
It depends on the customer also. Yeah, every people preference differently. That's why.
Back to race. Comparison to this 8045 and CLA45 in terms of handling, based on my personal experience the CLA45 handles little bit more rigid and solid
Because
from
it's wider. The body is wider and longer compared to the A45.
yeah.
They are using the same engine, same horsepower.
And also based on the same chassis, right?
A different chassis. Different chassis.
Different chassis.
Because of a CLA45 longer and wider.
Okay.
This is a smaller, this is the A hatchback. It's different chassis. The long
Okay.
wheelbase, yes, the same. The chassis is different. Do you remember the CLA45 how it looked like?
Okay.
Yeah, different.
I think
The base is the same, longer, but the chassis is different. Totally different chassis.
okay. I think
Is that something? You forgot
okay.
something.
I'm not. I mistaken think the platform is same.
The platform, yep. The body size is different. Chassis is different.
Chassis is different.
Yeah.
Yes, got it.
Platform is the same.
Got it
It's
right.
the same engine.
Okay.
It just depends on the customer prefer the bit smaller car or the bigger car.
Where is that? Okay. Wow, the new EV plate starting today.
EV plate.
Yeah,
The white color one.
the white color one.
I saw the EV plate already on the road.
Yeah.